Hi guys, back with this LED clock fan to answer another question. The question is quite simple. Would we get a better display on the video if we turn the lights out so it's darker? Obviously the camera is going to try and compensate. Let's see if I can get it to focus. I think we've got a bit of a flicker still, but looking at it through the viewfinder or screen, it does actually look better. I won't know until I actually play it back. It does look a bit blurry. I can't get that to focus. Let's just try again. Oh, that's a bit better. But that looks more flickery again now. Yeah, now that I got it focused, it looks worse to me than it did when it was out of focus. Yeah, out of focus, it doesn't look too bad. See if I can find a midpoint. Yeah, if I get it focused in, it looks to me like I've got a terrible strobing effect. Anyway, that should answer the question. Put the light back on now. Just occurred to me to try it from a distance. I'm playing around with the focus, trying to see if I can get a sharper image from a distance. Yeah, still got a fair bit of flicker there. That'll do, I think. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.